It's going to be a pursuit. It's going to be a pursuit. Northbound Kelly.
All units be advised, down close.
40 on that.
He just crossed the median here. He's cutting through the Shell gas station parking lot. We're cutting through the Shell gas station parking lot. Gonna be heading back eastbound on Trinity Mills. Squeeze that car now.
40 coming up.
I just drove through a yard at 2138. We're back westbound.
Back west.
He's in an alley, south alley of this, whatever, I'm not sure what that street is right there.
Can you come back?
Walk towards me. Walk.